how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can preview an HTML in Visual Studio Code. So the easiest way that you could do this with basically 2 clicks is to first install a extension. So head over to the extensions tab and let me just open up my mouse highlighter so you could just see where I'm pointing at specifically. So it's going to be this one. You then want to simply search for a live server. Now, this is really important because in 2 clicks, we can launch servers on the actual code itself. So click on it, click on install, and from there, you're instantly good to go. Now, if you want to change your browser, you then want to make the browser that you want to change into the default browser on your computer. So for example, if you want to use Google Chrome, you then want to make that as the default browser on your settings. But to proceed, let's head over to our code. Simply right click on it. You could right click anywhere you want to. And then there's going to be an option called open with live server. Click on it and then it will actually open up right here. So that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.